Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for the NCLEX or NCLEX through the New York Board of Nursing process. So you can get approved to task and move forward with your RN license in New York. So first, start your New York licensure application with the NYSED, the New York State Education Department Office of the Professions, and then you'll submit the RN online form 1 and then pay the required fee. So fill out carefully because mistakes can slow things down. Next, register for the NCLEX-RN with Pearson VUE. So this is a separate registration from New York's application, and your name must match your ID exactly. Now, New York won't let you test until they review your application and education, but you should still complete your Pearson VUE registration early. So after that, your school must send your documents or education documents to NYSED. If your nursing program was in the US, your school completes Form 2 and sends it with your official transcript directly to the NYSED. And if your nursing program was outside the US, you'll follow the foreign education route like the Form 2F or the other credential steps that New York accepts. And it must still be sent properly from the right source, not by you. So once NYSED says you're eligible, Pearson VUE will send your authorization to test ATT by email. Then you can pick a test date, schedule your exam, and take the NCLEX. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.